Have you ever talked about a product out loud, and suddenly an ad for it appears on your phone? Or opened an app intending to watch just one video, and suddenly 3 hours have vanished? It feels like magic, or maybe like someone is secretly listening to you. But it's actually something much more powerful: artificial intelligence. Welcome back to ByteSized Tech, where we decode the most mind-blowing tech and computer science secrets on the internet. We like to think we are entirely in control of our choices, what we buy, who we date, and what we watch. But the reality is that invisible strings of code are constantly pulling the levers behind the scenes. Today, we are exposing the crazy AI algorithms controlling your everyday life. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how these invisible digital masters predict your every move, and you might never look at your smartphone the same way again. Let's dive in. Number 1 on our list is the algorithm you interact with the most: the social media feed. Platforms like TikTok and Instagram don't just show you random videos. They use an incredibly aggressive AI to build a hyper-detailed psychological profile of you. This algorithm measures absolutely everything. It doesn't just look at what you like or comment on, it tracks the exact number of milliseconds you hover over a video before scrolling past. If you pause on a video of a golden retriever for exactly 1.2 seconds longer than a video of a cat, the AI immediately registers your preference. It learns what makes you laugh, what makes you angry, and what keeps your eyes glued to the screen. It then serves you content designed to trigger a dopamine release in your brain, acting exactly like a digital slot machine. It knows exactly what you want to see before you even know you want it. Next up is how AI controls what you buy. You might think you decide when to purchase a new pair of headphones or restock your favorite coffee. But giant e-commerce companies like Amazon are using algorithms to stay 10 steps ahead of you. They use a system called anticipatory shipping. By analyzing your past purchase history, your search habits, the time of day you usually shop, and even how long your mouse hovers over an item, the AI predicts what you are going to buy before you actually click the checkout button. The algorithm is so confident in its predictions that it will literally package those items and ship them to a warehouse near your house before you have even made the decision to buy them. When you finally hit order, the package is already waiting just a few miles away. Number 3, the algorithm that controls your love life. If you use dating apps, you aren't just browsing a random pool of people in your city. You are being sorted, ranked, and analyzed by a complex matchmaking AI. For years, apps used something similar to an ELO rating, the same system used to rank professional chess players. The AI secretly assigned you a desirability score based on how many people swiped right on you and the scores of the people who swiped right on you. While the algorithms have evolved to use machine learning that looks at the specific types of faces you linger on, the underlying truth remains: the AI acts as a digital gatekeeper. It decides who gets to see your profile and who remains hidden, meaning an invisible mathematical equation is literally deciding who you might marry. Let's look at number 4, navigation algorithms. When you plug a destination into Google Maps or Waze, you probably think the AI is simply calculating the fastest route for you. But what it's actually doing is playing a massive game of digital chess with millions of cars at once. The AI tracks the speed and location of every active smartphone on the road. If it detects a traffic jam forming, it doesn't just reroute you, it selectively reroutes different groups of cars down different side streets to prevent creating a new traffic jam somewhere else. You might think you're taking a clever shortcut, but in reality, you are just a single puzzle piece that the AI is moving around to optimize the entire city's traffic grid. Finally, at number 5, we have the AI that controls what you watch. When you log into Netflix or other streaming services, the movies recommended to you are chosen by an algorithm, but it goes much deeper than that. The AI actually changes the artwork on the movie posters to manipulate you into clicking. If the algorithm knows you love romantic comedies, it will show you a movie poster featuring 2 characters looking longingly at each other. If it knows you love action movies, it will show you a poster for the exact same movie, but this time featuring an explosion or a car chase. The AI customizes your entire digital reality, subtly altering colors, images, and fonts to perfectly align with your hidden psychological triggers. It's pretty wild to think about how much control these lines of code actually have, right? Out of all these algorithms, social media, shopping, dating, traffic, or streaming, which one surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. I read every single one. If you loved peeling back the curtain on this digital matrix, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to ByteSized Tech. In our next video, we are going to look at something absolutely hilarious and a little bit creepy. What happens when two AI bots talk to each other? You definitely won't want to miss it. The digital world is always watching, but we're here to explain exactly how it works. Thanks for watching, keep your curiosity alive, and I'll see you in the next one.